line tester, combination plier, electrical insulation tape, screwdriver set, digital Tong tester, cable and wire cutter, long nose plier, mini hacksaw, digital multimeter, foldable measuring tape, paper cutter knife, wire stripper, safety goggles, cable cutter and crimper, steel fish tape, stabby screwdriver, electrical safety gloves, magnetic flashlight, soldering iron, digital tester, screwdriver set, ring spanner set, electric air blower, wire pulling lubricant, hacksaw, conduit hand bender, double-ended spanner set, drill machine and kit, polarity and earth leakage tester, hole saw kit, LED headlamp, adjustable range, soldering wire, spirit level, insulated hammer, insulated rescue hook, insulated lugs,